Hello friends, welcome back. So, as you all know that these days cryptocurrencies is a very hot topic. So, almost everyone wants to jump into it. Uh, Either they want to mine it or they want to trade in it. So, yeah, the topic is really hot these days. So, in this video, we are going to use a simple tool which is called Coinmon, and this project is available on GitHub also. So it's a open source project. So using Coinmon, you can keep a watch on the prices of not only one or two main cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum or uh, other main cryptocurrencies like that, but up to thousand cryptocurrencies you can keep an eye on them. And uh, the rate which is shown is the instant current rate of the currencies, and you can check the rate in either dollar or euro or various other currencies. So I have written a detailed post about it on my website, which is intellectualmonk.com, and I have given a step by step process of how to install it on your system, and then how to monitor the prices of the currency which you want to keep an eye on. So let's go with the installation of Coinmon, and let us see that how actually we can use it. So the first thing which is required is that you must have Node.js installed on your computer. So let's go ahead and install Node.js. So sudo apt install Node.js. So keep in mind that this Node.js is the main requirement, and you have to install Node.js before you can run Coinmon. And I'll provide both the links of GitHub and also of my blog, so you guys can go there and read it by yourself and get a better understanding of things, that how to do it and what actually it is. Then the next command is sudo apt install npm. Yes. Actually, I'm not that good in coding and programming and all those things, So if you guys have interest in coding, then you guys can have a look at its code at the GitHub, and uh, you can also tinker with it if you want to. So our last command is sudo npm install -g Coinmon. So Coinmon is installing. So these are the commands if you are running a Debian Ubuntu or any Debian based system or any Ubuntu based system. And if you guys are on any other distro, you can use these commands. So Coinmon is installed. So just by typing Coinmon, you can check the rate of the 10 most famous currencies, which are right now Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BCH, ADA, XLM, NEO, Litecoin, EOS, XCM. Price in US dollar. Changes in last 1 hour. So here, like, Bitcoin has decreased by 0.11%, Ethereum has decreased by 0.48%. Then we have changes in last 24 hours. Then we have changes in last 7 days, and then we have market capital USD. So let's see, what if you guys want to check the uh, check the rate of any one particular currency. So for that, the command is coinmon -f BTC. So it will give you the detail about BTC. So if you guys want to check its price in any other currencies, like right now it is showing in US dollars. So suppose you want to check its rate in euro. So the command is coinmon -c and then EUR for euro. It should be small c. So here is the rate in euro. So if you guys suppose want to check its price in the last 24 hours, so what you can do is the command is Coinmon space dash c. Here we have to use capital C, and then 2 is the here it is given 2 is the price, 3 is change in 1 hour, 4 is change in 24 hour, 5 is change in 7 days, and 6 is its market capital. So the command is Coinmon minus C 2.4. So it will give us the price in last 24 hours. Minus 2.4. Again it should be small c. I think there is some error in it. Let me check it. Yeah, so if you want to check the top 50 cryptocurrencies, so the command for it is Coinmon minus T50. So it will give you a list of top 50 currencies, cryptocurrencies. And Coinmon minus FBTC. Okay, so here instead of C it should be S, so that was my mistake. So Coinmon minus S 0 1 2. So you guys can come to its GitHub page and read about all the various commands that it supports and how to use it. So for help it is Coinmon minus H. So that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to share this nice application which I found on GitHub, and I thought that some of you guys might be interested in it. So that's it for now. If you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.